dresses are my go-to when it comes to flaunting my baby bump in style. Choose florals and flowy fabrics to keep the look chic and comfy. What I love about this dungaree dress is that I don't need to compromise on style for comfort. Teamed with cute sneakers and a pair of hoops, it's the perfect outfit for a day of baby shopping. You don't have to retire your shorts completely. I love these gingham shorts with an elastic waistband because they have room for me to grow. Plus, I can dress them up or down if I please. Once your belly starts to show, switch to easy silhouettes and stretchy leggings, especially for work days. You can wear these pieces even after the baby arrives. I like to team this look with block heels or flats if I'm gonna have a long day. Who said you can't wear rompers now that you're preggers? Choose a strapless one with smocking that you can easily slip off. You know you might need to. Also, wedges are your best friend when it comes to wearing heels.